Okay, let's do a shot. Another drink I hate, the Fire Breathing Kraken. To make this drink, we are going to start by rimming our shot glass with chili salt. I don't have any chili salt. I wasn't going to come up with a recipe for chili salt for something I'm never going to drink again, but I do have some tahini. So I'm going to put that on the rim of my shot glass. And by shot glass, I say this. This is an Anderson Ancestral glass of some sort. I don't think it's really a shot glass, but this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of simple syrup on the rim here. And not the whole rim, just a portion of the rim. Then I'm going to dip that in the tahini. Just where I'm going to drink it. Because why should the rest of the glass suffer? I'm going to set this aside, to that side. I'm going to set these to the side, this side, and I'm going to pull my shaker over. And we're going to start with some simple syrup. How much simple syrup? 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And this is a 1-to-1. 2 dashes of the hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Tabasco. I do have a friend that makes hot sauce, and they're really good hot sauces. Tabasco's not bad. Oh, my label's coming off. 2 dashes. There you go, Gnome. Look at that. How are we going to know it's Tabasco now? Chili liqueur. Ancho chili liqueur. I'm using Ancho Reyes. You can use the one of your choice, and I need how much of that? 1/4 ounce. I didn't even memorize this one. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And finally, your Kraken black spiced rum. 1 ounce, right? Yep, 30 milliliters. And see my fingers in those loops? Stupid loops. I can smell it already. Get some ice, add some ice, and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my glass. You can double strain if you so desire. I don't think it's going to matter at this point. Get all that out there. Set this aside. And there you have it. The Fire Breathing Kraken. Drink with good spirits. No.